So you just replaced the fuel pump and now you're hearing strange sounds. While a low humming is normal, buzzing or droning sounds are not. If you're hearing a whining, droning, or wet sputtering sound, the pump may be loose. Check that the pump is properly installed and tightened. A buzzing or loud humming can indicate you're dealing with a clogged fuel filter. Always replace the fuel filter when installing a new fuel pump. A whining and buzzing combination can be caused by overheating due to fuel levels being too low or contaminated fuel. To learn more about diagnosing fuel pump noises and to find high-quality fuel pump replacements, visit gmb.net.